Hello all, my name is Prasad. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this particular video, we are going to be discuss how to create, deploy, export project in Eclipse, and please subscribe to get more interesting videos. And let's start the session. Here I have an Eclipse IDE. Okay, here you can able to see now. Spring Tool Suite. It is also known as an Eclipse. Okay, let me start. Yeah, IDE started successfully. In the last video, we are already seen how to add the server to this Eclipse ID. Okay, here I have a server. Okay, now let me create the project. Go to File, New, and here you can able to select a project. Okay, here it will show you what kind of project you want to create, either PHP or EJB Enterprise Java Bean, Java Enterprise Edition, JPA, Maven project or PHP project, and Spring Boot. What kind of project you want to create? As of now, I want to create a web application. Go to the web. There you can able to see static and dynamic web projects. Okay. Static web project means if your web project is having all the static files like all the HTML files. Dynamic web page means the pages which render the dynamic content. Okay. Let me choose the dynamic web project. Next, it is asking the project name. My project name, somewhat I am taking it's like a e-commerce. Just a sample project name. Automatically, it can pick the server runtime which is installed in your computer and finish. Okay. Here, creating project in Eclipse is very dead easy. But if you want to create any web application, if you want to deploy manually in the server, it is a very heavy process and most of the things it will get irritation. Okay, it's better to use Eclipse because of in the industry 90% of Java related companies will prefer Eclipse only. Most of the service based companies. Okay, just go to the project. There you can able to see Java resources, and in that you can able to see SRC. If I go to web content, there I can able to see webinf. In the webinf I can able to see lib. Okay. In your project, if you want to write any .java programs, all the .java files you have to place within the SRC. In your project, if you have any HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, font files, such kind of any static files you have to place within the web content. In your project, if you are using any third-party libraries, it means that any other third-party vendor-related Java libraries, if you are trying to use any third-party APIs, if you are trying to use, you have to make those implementations as a jar files in the lib directory. Okay, this is the what here I can able to place within the lib. Here I have a web content and here I have a SRC. Let me repeat again. SRC is for to place all the Java files. Web content is for to place HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, any static kind of resources. Lib is helping you to place any third-party APIs like a jar files, any third-party jars. Yeah. Let me create some sample web page and let me deploy and run this project. Okay, if I want to create a sample HTML page. If it is an HTML page, you have to create within the web content. Right click on the web content, new HTML file. My file name, just I am trying to take it as a index.html. Index is my file name. HTML is my extension. Yes. The reason why I took my file name is an index is in one project there may be a multiple HTML files. Okay, let us consider login.html, register.html, about us.html, services.html. Like that, in one project you maybe have multiple HTML files. Okay. The file name which you took index, by default that file will act as a welcome file in your project. Okay, it means that the file name, the web page name which you took as an index.html index, by default that index file will be acting as a welcome file in your project. That's what I took index. That is a small reason. And I just let me print a small message. Div align equals to center. I don't want to create any serious content. I'm just printing a small message. Yeah. I just printed the small message. Div align center, it means that my message will be display the center of the page. And I'm printing a welcome to Admin Technologies. Its size is 5, font size is 5, and its color is green color. Yeah, that's it. Just I have a simple HTML page. Let me deploy this project into the Tomcat and let me request to this project. Okay, go to the server section. There you can see the Tomcat. For this Tomcat, just add your project. Click on add and remove. Select your project and you can add. If you want to remove from the server, you can remove. If you remove the project, your server never execute your project. If you add the project to the server, then your server will run your project. Finish. Project is successfully added to my Tomcat server. Let's start the server. Yes, fine. My server is started successfully. It started. Here you can able to see your server port number HTTP 2525. 2525 is my port number. Yes, fine. My Tomcat server is running on 2525 port number. In the Tomcat server, I deployed one project. My project name is an e-commerce. It is having a small one single web page like index.html. It is just displaying welcome to Admin Technology. That's it. Now, just let me give a request to this project now. Okay, just open the browser. Okay, you can give a request now. Localhost colon port number. My server port number is 2525 slash project name. What is my project I created right now? E-commerce. Here you can see the response for this request. Welcome to Admin Technologies. Okay, that's it. Okay, you can do in this way. Suppose if we have already a project which is already built on the Eclipse, if you want to run that particular existing project, okay, let me show you how to import an existing project and how to run that part. Okay, I am trying to undeploy the project from the server. Okay, let me stop my server. Okay, and I am trying to import an existing project into this environment. Okay, see, you can go to file and you can choose import. Okay, it is asking what kind of project you want to import. I just went to the general existing project into workspace. It means that I want to import the project which is already built on the Eclipse. Okay, that's what I am selecting, existing project into workspace. Next. Okay, it is asking the directory where your project is there. Go to browse. Okay, select the location of project in your computer. Okay, I'm selecting some of the project from here. Okay, now I just selected by shop. or else I just selected this project, or else I am selecting book event now. Select this. Okay, just select a project which is there in your computer. You can browse and you can select any kind of a existing project. Just finish it. Now here you can able to see the project is imported into the Eclipse. Sir, I want to execute this project. Okay, what you have to do? Same story. Just add your project to the server. Add and remove. Select the project and you can add. You can add multiple projects at a time, but it's not good practice. Which project you are currently executing, add that particular project. That is the better practice. Finish. Okay. I'm trying to start my server now. Yeah, fine. Server is started successfully. Now let me execute this project. What is my project name here? Book event now. Okay, just open the browser. Here you can able to see your port number. Port number is 2525. Okay, let me give a request now. Localhost port number 2525 / project now. Book event now. Just take enter. Yeah, this is the project I have. There you can able to see login page. Here you can able to see the sign up page. Okay, there is a lot of, from this your project execution will be started. Okay, just you can do in this way. Go to file, import, go to general, existing project into workspace. Next, browse the project location, the project which you want to add. Okay, I would like to be add this crop bidding. Okay, select project, finish. That's it. After importing, just you have to add this project into the Tomcat server. Go to add and remove the existing projects, add the current project which you want to execute, select finish. Then just start the server. Here you can able to see your server port number 2525. There are multiple port numbers here you can able to observe, but try to pick HTTP port number. That is important for us. Okay, just open the browser and here you can give your project name. What is the project name I have? Crop bidding. This is the project I have, like home, login page, farmer registration page, and buyer registration page. Okay, just you have to do in this way. Okay, suppose, and this project creation and this project import only work for Eclipse only. If you want to deploy your project in live servers, or if you want to deploy your project in other than Eclipse IDs, there are multiple IDs. Even we have a NetBeans, such kind of other IDs also. If you want to export this project in other than Eclipse environment, okay, you have to export this project as a generalized project. Okay, this project as of now which is created in Eclipse environment, this is the only file structure which is maintained by Eclipse. Other IDs may be maintain the structure in other ways. Okay, code is same, code never change, but the way of uh, project structure is different from one ID to another ID. Okay, as of now you can export, you can import the projects which are already built on other Eclipse. Okay, just let me export to deploy in a live service. Okay, for that what you have to do is select your project. Okay, and here you can able to see export. Here you can select as a web archive, WAR file. Okay, browse the location where you want to save this var file. I am trying to save in my desktop as of now. Okay, save, just finish it. Okay, now you can see in the desktop your var file. Okay, if you want to deploy your web project in live servers, live environment, okay, you have to deploy as var file. Okay, it is the standard file extension given by Oracle Corporation. Okay, every Java web application must be in var extension. Okay, after developing your project in Eclipse, you have to export your project as a var file, and this var file will be deployed in live servers. Okay, yeah, that's it. Simply you can create this project, you can create the projects if you want. You can import an existing projects, or if you want, by selecting this import option, and by selecting an export option you can export your projects to other to var file. These are the simple operations we learn as of now. Okay, it's working with Eclipse is not great. In the web you can search for shortcuts for Eclipse. Okay, for every operation there is a simple shortcut. Those will help you to learn very fast. There are a huge number of resources in the web. There are a huge number of existed YouTube videos also in the web. Okay, try to learn this Eclipse, because of a Java developers Eclipse is most important. In the real time it is most usable IDE. Okay, even freshers also you have to be know something about this Eclipse IDE. Right, I'm just giving a sample basic information. You have to explore more number of things regarding this Eclipse IDE, which is a one of the finest tool every computer science background student should have knowledge on this. Okay, it's mandatory. I hope you understand it. This is all about this particular video, and I hope you like it. Please do subscribe this channel if you're not yet subscribed. Let's see in the next video. Thank you, one and all. Bye bye.